When the world is no longer safe, we need a device that will help us in a worse situation. Allow me to unbox this affordable surveillance camera. By the way, I purchased this on TEMU online shopping app. This is IP camera. In this video, I will be unboxing the device, showing you some video sample, and most importantly is giving you a guide on how to use the iCamera 365 app. So inside the box is this instructions manual with different language translation. And of course the device. But let's check it later. Let's have this normal micro USB cable. Then the screws for wall and the reset pin. Then this camera holder. And now this IP camera device, with full HD 1080p resolution. In the manual, it doesn't indicate if this is waterproof, so better use this as an indoor device. And this is not powered by battery. So on the side, the normal USB port and the antenna. Then the QR code, and later this will scan when connecting to the iCamera 365 app. And you notice those dots or holes? That's the speaker. On the top is the SD card slot. The manual doesn't indicate how much memory gigabytes is supported, and besides is the reset button. Scan this QR code so you will be sure that you are downloading the right application rather than searching that on Play Store or Apple app. And since I'm using a phone that need QR code scanner app, so this is how to connect the device.
Camera startup. Wait for user config.
So you need to allow the notification in order for you to be updated in any unwanted things that the camera has been detected. You will hear a voiceover, an instruction on how to connect the app and the device.
Please scan the QR code on the machine body. Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device, enter a Wi-Fi password, and click Next. Show the QR code to the device camera.
Camera startup. Wait for user config. Receive configuration. Connect router. Camera startup. Wait for user config. Please wait. Device added successfully.
So if you have more IP camera devices, you can register as many as you can. Just have the name on each devices so you will have points and guides. Registering or adding another device in this iCam 365 app is the same procedure as I did a while ago. And for the cloud storage, it is free only for a couple of days, so don't click that, unless if you really want to subscribe a subscription plan. Well, having that plan is really great because in any cases, videos are safe in stealing, while using the SD card for storage is not really safe. Indeed, this surveillance camera is effective, though this is not a 4K resolution, but still managed to capture good video. The application is very easy to use, so let's get started. So these two buttons are for paid subscription, though you can still use without subscribing on it. The downside only without plan is you can use only the basic features, but for me it's enough already because I don't have that means to subscribe as of now. The good thing with subscription plan is you can access the upgraded features and your video are safe, without using micro SD card. Make it sure you turn on all the necessary buttons. For video recording, you have an option for full HD or the standard HD resolution, but be reminded that the higher the more storage space is being consumed. For pictures setting, enable all the buttons so you will have the timeline. For day and night, better use the automatic mode, so it will change automatically into a night vision mode if it is night already. And the most important thing, turn on this button, the intelligence tracking. This will detect human, sound, and motion movements. This warning voice is great. When the camera detects human figures, the voiceover will automatically pop up. There's suggested voice alarm you can choose, or you can make your own like alarming unwanted house intruders. But sometimes it's better not to, so that intruders will not know that they are caught in camera so you can document what they are doing. In notification settings, turn on all the buttons as you may notify for sound, motion, and human figure. Since this device is not waterproof nor stated in manual, I suggest that this must be placed in the door area or in your entrance gate with protective against rainwater. Using this feature allows you to communicate the person in case-to-case basis.
Hello.
That howling sound you've heard means that my phone
Stay
is very
away.
near with the device. As advised, it should be 3 meters distance from the phone and the IP camera.
Get out.
So you can adjust the camera view angle manually through this joystick function. Though the camera capture process is a bit delay, but still it manages to capture good video. Be reminded that this is only 1080p resolution. Zooming is a bit blurry. By the way, I purchased this through TEMU, an online shopping app, and they're giving discount about the price of this device. In case you wanted to reset, the pin is included in the screws. Just press this button and wait till the voiceover resetting is successful.
Reset successfully. Wait for camera rebooting.
So this are the sample video that captures at night and day. So when the notifications is turned on, this is how it appears. Isn't it useful? A reminder, if you're going to place it on an upside down position, make it sure you need to turn on this, because this will happen if you forget to turn it on. So this are the video sample at night and daytime. So how is the sample video taken by this device? Does this device is worth it enough? Let me know your opinion. Your comments and suggestions is highly appreciated. Please do write down below. Thanks for watching.